Hey guys, it's Chelsea, and today we're talking about Blur Stick. Blur Stick is a silicone-free, oil-free primer stick that glides on for a colorless matte finish. Blur Stick is a great primer because it allows makeup to glide on and it makes your makeup last all day. People always ask what makes a Blur Stick blur. What makes Blur Stick blur are small, powder-filled, blurring microspheres that blurs pores, fine lines, and imperfections, which creates a soft focus effect. So at Milk Makeup, we're all about good ingredients and epic payoff. A lot of other primers contain a lot of silicones and ingredients that just aren't so great for your skin. The Blur Stick is silicone-free, oil-free, non-comedogenic, won't clog your pores, and it feels really light on your skin so your skin can breathe. Even though the Blur Stick may look like it has a color, it doesn't. It's universal and it glows on clear on all skin tones.